Hey everyone, so I have my mom here with me again with sweets for my sweet. So here we have, what is it, Mother? Ensaymada. If I can.
Ito pa na. Bilisan mo tamahan ako. That's, so what is it? Almond what? Dulce.
Almond dulce. So,
You
which
just
one?
keep talking, Jasmine, and then I'll start eating, okay?
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, so these are the 3 flavors. It's a very big box.
It has 6 on it, but I ate one already.
So we're trying. Ube.
Yeah.
3 flavors. It's a very big piece first.
I don't want that. I want the dulce.
I'm gonna try the dolce.
Can I have the other one with the cream on it? Yes, thank you. Yeah, I can leave now?
Yes.
Because you know what you're gonna talk. Bye, guys.
Brandon.
Kita sa akin, hindi ka po daanan.
Open it more, right? Okay. How is that? Sweet?
All I have to say is it's very creamy.
Oh, thank you.